Hey everybody, Mike here. Today we're going to be unwrapping the filter adapter for the Moment series of lenses and cases. I purchased this, I pre-ordered this several months ago from B&H, and we're going to learn about what's in the packaging. See the filter mount. One threaded 62mm aluminum filter mount, so large rubber for the wide. It's going to go on you. Rectangular for the anamorphic, which is not yet shipping, and a smaller rubber collar for all other lenses. So I have the wide, which I'm shooting on this camera today. I also have the telephoto, and I have the Superfish. So let's see what this looks like. So what happens is that the gasket is inserted from the bottom, like so. And then the lens itself is inserted until it's flush with the ring. So note that you would have gotten your lens completely full of your greasy fingers at this point. And so it's best to wipe it off. Let's go ahead and put this together to see how it works. So here we have the iPhone 8 Plus. Here we have the Moment case in walnut. We have the new wide, the Superfish, and the Tele. And here we have the grommet adapter for the new wide. This fits the Superfish and the Tele, and also the macro. And this one fits the anamorphic, which is not yet shipping. Here we have the filter mount. And here we have a 3-stop graduated neutral density filter. So we're going to use the new wide as our example here. First we'll take the filter adapter. We'll insert the grommet, like so. It snaps into place very easily. We'll insert the lens from the bottom. And there it is. So maybe 5 or 6 seconds to go ahead and put the adapter on. Next, let's go ahead and take the filter of your choice. Let's go ahead and hear that tightening up. And now that is tight. So here we have, oops. All right, let's actually put that on here to give a little context. All right. So here we see the ND filter, just kind of spinning the ring of the ND filter to change how much is being filtered out. And we see the focus changing a little bit differently. So drop a comment below if you have any questions about the Moment series of lenses, cases, or accessories. Smash that like button if you want to see more content like this, mobile photography, and subscribe to get notified of all new content coming out. Thanks very much.